Good morning to all of you. Since we are doing the numericals on the eco in the last class, I could not complete the last section because due to some technical error. Now let us continue question number 10. Okay, question number 10 in your page number 53. So today's date is 11th of August 2020. We are doing numericals on eco. Question number 10. Look at your textbook, that is page number 153. Now in this question, it is given that a man fires a gun and hears its echo after 5 seconds. The man moves 310 meters towards the hill and fires his gun again. This time, he hears the echo after 3 seconds. Calculate the speed of the sound. So here, let me draw a diagram. A hill is there, and then you have a man, and he is firing a gun. Okay. Now, when the gun is fired, the sound is produced, and that sound will hit the obstacle, the hill, and it will return to the man after 5 seconds. So we have to find the speed of the sound produced by the gun. So here, let us say the distance between the man and the gun be x. So let us take like this. Given in the first case, the distance is x. The speed of the sound is not given to you, so we can take the speed as v only. And the time for the echo to be heard is 5 seconds. Okay. Now we have to use the formula, and we know that the formula is v equals to 2d by t. The distance between the man and the hill is x. The time taken by the sound to travel back is 5. So let us make this as equation number 1. Here we see that v is unknown and the distance is also unknown. Now look at the second case. In the second case, the man moves 310 meters towards the hill. So suppose this man is moving towards the hill. Suppose the man moves up here. How much distance he moves towards the hill? 310. Now the man is positioned in this position. Now the man again fires the gun and the sound is heard, in this case after 3 seconds. So let us take what will be the distance between the hill and the second position of the man. The distance will be, the total distance is x minus how much distance he has covered? 310. So in the second case, we can take like this. Distance is x minus 310. The speed of the sound remains same because it is the same medium. And the time, if you look at the question, this time if he hears the echo after 3 seconds. So the time given is 3 seconds. So from here, we can also find the speed. It is same. So the distance is x minus 310. The time taken is 3 seconds here. So this is your equation number 2. Now if you look at the first equation and the second equation, the velocity, the speed is same. So these two speed will be equal. So now from equation 1 and equation 2, what we observe is 2x by 5 is the speed or the velocity in the first case, and 2x minus 310 by 3 is the speed in the second case. So these two equations are equal. The 2 and 2 can be cancelled. 3 will go and cross multiply there. 5 will multiply with both the term here. 1150 you will get. Now, if you transpose this, you get 2x equals to 1150, because it will come here, this minus will become plus, and from here the value of x will be 1150 divided by 2. X will be equals to 775 if you cancel by 2. Now this x is the actual distance between the man and the hill, but in the question it is said that calculate the speed of sound. If you look at the first equation, speed equals to 2x by 5. So let us substitute the value of x there. 5 1s are 5, carry over 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So you will get again, it is somewhat looking like the same speed as the distance. Okay? Now, how much the man has moved? The man has also moved 310 toward the hill. And what is the speed of the sound we got? 310 meter per second. So this is the unit. So likewise, there are other numericals in the textbook and some also in the examples. Now your assignment, which you have to write it in your exercise copy and you have to upload in my WhatsApp page. Assignment is complete the remaining numericals from page number 152 and 153. The second assignment which you have to do, which is also in the textbook, it is a very easy one. This assignment is an ICSE question. State 2 uses or applications of echo. Or application of echoes. For your reference, you can refer to textbook in page number, it is there in page number 100 and what do you call 51, page number 151. There you will find many uses of echo. Out of that, you have write down 2. I'll just give you quickly. First is these echoes can be used by animals like bats, dolphins. It can be also used by the fishermen in the sea when they are going to get the fishes, when they are going to catch the fishes, etc. Alright, now what happens is these animals, the bats and dolphins, they produce very high frequency waves, like for example ultrasonic waves. So they uses the frequency which they produce is more than 100 kilohertz, which is more than the human audible range. So like that, you have to study and write down briefly the first use. Second use can be also used in case of sonar. Now you have done the sonar in your audio classes also. Like for example, you have done in class 8, 9, etc. It is there. Sonar is basically it is sound and navigation ranging. The full form of sonar is sound and navigation ranging. Okay, so now how it is used is, I'll just give you briefly one small diagram. Let us say this is the sea and this is the depth of the sea, and you have a ship here. Okay, and let us say this is obstacle. Now obstacle can come in various forms. Obstacles can be, in this case, it can be iceberg, it can be some enemies, destroyed ship, or the ship which has sunk in, etc. So in order to find the location, exact location, we make use of the concept of echo, that is the reflection of sound. In the ship there will be 2 instruments fitted. One will be the transmitter and another one will be the signal, the sound signal. Okay, now the ship will transmit the sound waves. Okay, the chip will transmit the sound. This will be a signal receiver. So this, it will go and hit the obstacle. From the transmitter, it will send the waves. The waves will go and hit the obstacle, and from the obstacle it will be reflected, and it will be catch or it will be caught by this receiver. So from here we can find out the depth. We can find out the depth by using the formula of echo, which is V equals to 2D by T. Likewise, this whole process is called the echo depth sounding. The whole process is called the echo depth sounding. So these are the two applications of echo. You can write it down in your textbook, and also you do the numericals. So we have next session. In that we will be discussing vibrations. Thank you.